This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
This hidden sensor is killing your Audi fuel economy. Do you feel like your Audi is using more fuel than before, but you can't find any obvious problem? You're driving the same roads, using the same fuel, following the same habits. Yet the consumption keeps going up. And the strange part is that nothing seems broken. No warning lights, no clear errors, everything feels normal. But what if I told you that a tiny component inside your engine, something you never see and rarely think about, could be silently increasing your fuel consumption and reducing your power at the same time? Most drivers never notice this problem, because the car still starts perfectly. It accelerates, it drives smoothly. There are no dramatic symptoms, and that's exactly what makes it dangerous. The issue doesn't hit suddenly, it builds slowly, over time, while your engine becomes less efficient day after day. Modern Audi engines rely completely on sensors. These sensors constantly send data to the engine control unit. Based on this information, the car decides how much fuel to inject, how to adjust timing, and how to balance performance with efficiency. In modern engineering, everything depends on absolute accuracy. Now imagine what happens when one of these sensors starts giving slightly incorrect data. Not completely wrong, just slightly off. That small error forces the engine to compensate. And when the engine compensates, it usually adds more fuel than necessary. That means you're burning more fuel than you should, without even realizing it. The most common culprit is the airflow sensor, also known as the mass airflow sensor. This small device measures how much air enters the engine. It's one of the key elements in determining the perfect air-fuel mixture. If this sensor gets dirty, contaminated, or simply less accurate over time, it sends incorrect readings. And when that happens, your Audi starts injecting more fuel than needed. This leads to 3 immediate consequences. First, increased fuel consumption. Second, reduced engine efficiency. Third, a slight loss of power that most drivers can't even detect at first. And here's the most important part. In the early stages, there is no warning light. No alert, no clear sign, nothing that tells you something is wrong. So you keep driving, day after day, week after week, spending more on fuel, thinking it's normal. Now multiply that small inefficiency over months. That tiny sensor can cost you a significant amount of money without ever triggering a visible problem. And that's why this is one of the most overlooked issues in Audi engines. In the next part, I'll show you the exact signs to look for, so you can detect this problem early and stop wasting fuel before it turns into a bigger issue. If you want to save fuel and keep your Audi performing at its best, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps us bring you real, practical solutions every day. The hidden signs. Your Audi sensor is failing. Now here's the real problem. Most Audi drivers don't fix this issue, because they don't even realize it exists. There's no warning at the beginning, no obvious failure, no dramatic symptom, just small changes that are easy to ignore. Let's start with the first signal. Fuel consumption slowly increasing, not suddenly, not dramatically. Just a gradual change. You start noticing that your tank doesn't last as long as before. You fill up more often, but you blame traffic, weather, driving conditions, when in reality, your engine is using more fuel than necessary. Second signal, slight loss of power. Your Audi still feels fast, still responsive, but something feels less sharp. Acceleration is not as clean. Throttle response feels slightly delayed. Not enough to alarm you, but enough to indicate inefficiency. Third signal, engine running less smoothly. This is very subtle. At idle, you might feel a slight vibration. During driving, gear transitions may feel less fluid. Again, nothing extreme. But these small irregularities are signals. Fourth signal, stronger fuel smell or rough combustion. When the air-fuel mixture is incorrect, combustion becomes less efficient. That can lead to stronger exhaust smell, incomplete fuel burn, reduced efficiency. Now here's where it becomes critical. If this continues, the system starts compensating more aggressively, and eventually, warning lights may appear. But by that point, you've already lost efficiency for a long time, and possibly stressed other components. This is why early detection is everything. Because fixing a dirty or inaccurate sensor early is simple and inexpensive, but ignoring it can lead to bigger issues. Now think about this. You are driving every day, believing your Audi is performing normally, but in reality, you are burning more fuel, losing performance, and increasing long-term wear. All because of something you can't see. And that's exactly what makes this problem so dangerous. In the next part, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, what to check, and how to restore your Audi's efficiency. If you want to avoid wasting fuel and keep your car performing like new, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps us bring you real solutions every day. How to fix it and restore your Audi's performance. Now that you know the signs and understand what's happening inside your engine, let's get to the most important part, how to fix it. Because here's the good news. In most cases, this problem is not expensive, but only if you act early. Let's start with the airflow sensor. Over time, this sensor collects dust, oil particles, and contaminants. That buildup affects its accuracy, and when the readings are wrong, your engine injects too much fuel. The simplest solution, cleaning the sensor. This is often enough to restore correct readings and immediately improve fuel efficiency. But it must be done carefully, because the sensor is delicate. Using the wrong product or touching it directly can damage it permanently. If cleaning is not enough, then replacement is the next step. And here's something most people don't realize. Replacing this sensor is relatively inexpensive compared to the fuel you waste over time. Now let's go further, because this issue is often connected to other components. A clean air filter is essential for proper combustion. Precise fuel injectors are critical for the perfect mixture. The intake system must allow for unrestricted airflow to the engine. If the airflow is restricted or fuel delivery is not optimal, the problem becomes worse. So a complete check includes replacing a dirty air filter, using a fuel system cleaner, checking intake airflow. These small actions can completely transform your Audi. More power, better response, lower fuel consumption. And here's the key insight. Efficiency is not about adding power. It's about restoring what you've already lost. Now imagine this scenario. Before fixing the issue, you are unknowingly wasting fuel every day. After fixing it, your Audi feels more responsive, more efficient, and smoother. Same car, same engine, completely different experience. And that's the difference between driving your Audi and actually optimizing it. Because most drivers never fix these small inefficiencies. They adapt to them, and that's why they spend more money than necessary. So the real advantage is not just knowing the problem, but acting before it becomes expensive. If you want to save fuel, improve performance, and avoid hidden costs, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps us bring you real, practical solutions every day. Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead. Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.